So here's the estimate that I got from All Right Electric, one of the preferred providers from Tesla, and they're a great company to work with. They sent out a guy from their office within like a day or two of me contacting them. They came over, they looked at my house, pretty much explained everything that needed to be done, and spent about like 15 minutes going over some of the more important highlights with regard to the service installation. So I'm gonna go over those things in the video today with you. And so first and foremost, wanted to let you guys know that you have to buy the Tesla wall connector on your own. So it's not provided by the service company. You have to go onto the website of Tesla or go onto eBay or maybe Amazon and find the wall connector that best fits your budget and also the application you're using it for. So for my installation, they have to install a 12 space 24 circuit sub panel next to the main panel that's located in my basement, which I'll show you guys later on in the film. They have to relocate the alarm panel, cable splitters, and panel GFI, relocate 4 circuits from the main panel to the sub panel, install one 60 amp dedicated circuit, 50 amp breaker with disconnect to the garage for the Tesla wall connector, install one customer supply Tesla wall connector in the garage, wire the connector and calibrate the settings, test the voltage, and then they also have to contact Tesla to let them know the work that they have done and also provide pictures of the inspection so that Tesla knows that it was done correctly, and then they have an electrical inspector come out, take a look at the work, and then provide an underwriter certificate. So here's the work after it was completed. This sub panel did not exist. This here was over there. All these wires were also over there. They moved that over. And then they ran those wires up here and then across about 75, 100 feet to my garage. And thus that gave me the extra miles per hour that I needed. As I mentioned in the other video, 37 miles per hour. And then as you can see here, this is the installation for my solar panels that was done last year in September of 2018. For my solar panels that was done last year in September of 2018. So here is the entrance to where they put the wall connector in my garage. They ran that line about 75, I'd say 100 feet, and that's one of the reasons why the cost was so high with regards to this particular installation for the wall charger, because they had to run a long line and also add a sub panel box. And right in there is where my garage is, and then I'll show you in a later video exactly what that looks like. So this is where the final place for the wall charger ended up being, in my garage. They ran the line right down here, as you can see. And the cords and everything nicely wrapped around. And then eventually what I'm going to do is probably put some shelving and stuff around here. But for right now, this works great because I pull my car in. The charging port is on the left, connecting right to the charging port. Don't even really need to use much of the line here. And goes right in, and then when I'm done, just wrap it around here, and then that's it. This is where I bought the wall connectors from eBay. Bought it for $580. And this happened to be the one that Elon Musk signed. So it was a special edition one that really couldn't get anywhere unless you had, I believe, enough referrals to get it from eBay. But paid $580 plus $35 in shipping, so somewhere in the neighborhood of like $615. This is directly from the Tesla website. We have a Chad demo adapter. I don't know what that is. Corded mobile connector. 520. Adapter bundle for $220, and that's about it, offered on the Tesla website. So as of right now, the item is out of stock on the Tesla website, so your only choice is really to get it on the secondary market, either Amazon, eBay, or some other online retailer. But here you can see these are all the details for that charger, also the installation. And you can go right to this link right here, which is where I found the provider that I had mentioned earlier. And this just basically tells you everything that you need to know with regards to the different places you can have the charger installed from.